Hi friends, I am interrupting this video to inform you that this will be my last video for 2019. I'm taking a little break to enjoy some quality time with family, friends and myself. I hope you do the same and have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hi everyone, welcome back, and if it's your first visit, I'm Arelis and I'm so happy that you decided to stop by. As you could have seen by the title of this video, I am doing the winter holiday tag. And you guys, I have to be honest, I feel like I'm getting a little bit hooked on these tags, and that is all thanks to my beautiful sister Liz from Home Decorating with Liz. So Liz, thank you for getting me hooked on these tags as well. She invited me to do the tag for the Thanksgiving issue, but I just didn't came around to doing it, so I decided to do this one instead. I did do the fall tag, and this tag was the same. I'm not sure if the Thanksgiving tag was his as well, but the fall tag was issued by Sean from Heart and Soul, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with his channel. If you're not, the link to his channel is in my description box below, and if you guys like candle reviews, then you must certainly check him out. I am totally loving him since I first met his channel in the fall tech edition. But anyway, without any further ado, let's quickly get started because before I lose any light. Let me see, I'm going to have to put on my glasses for this one. There are 16 questions and 6 love it or hate it ones. So let's do this. First, real tree or artificial tree. If you've seen my home tour, that was the last video before this one. I do have a artificial tree, and I've been having one for years now. First because I was living in an apartment and it was so much easier for me to have an artificial one than to drag a real one up and down the stairs every year. So I have an artificial one, but I have to admit, a real one, there's nothing like it. I mean, the smell, the scent that it sends, and it is just so pretty. But yeah, unfortunately I do have a artificial tree, and I have to say it is so pretty. I have a flock one this year. If you haven't seen my home tour, I will link that in the description box below and in the iCard up here. Next question is colored lights or white lights. Definitely white lights. I was never a fan of colored lights, and I don't think I will ever be. So white lights, definitely. Open presents Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. When I was younger, in my childhood, we used to open the presents on Christmas Day. And it was really a bummer because we had to wait till after dinner. So not on Christmas Eve, not on Christmas morning, just after dinner at night, so in the evening. But still, it was like really anticipation building up, and I really loved it. So yeah, that is our tradition, doing Christmas Day, but after dinner. Favorite holiday food? I have to say definitely my mom's Christmas ham. It is so yummy. Then favorite holiday dessert, that is the dessert that I am making myself these past couple years. It's the flan dessert, and I am so totally loving that. I didn't make it last year, but I am planning to do so this year. Number 6 is fragrances you love around the holiday season, candle or non-candle. Around this time of year, I love everything pine, you guys. All my candles are, they have the pine undernote in them. So totally pine, yes. Number 7, favorite Christmas present. I thought about that, but I couldn't come up with any. So I don't know. No. I think everything that I got previous Christmases are so nice, you guys. Every present is from the heart, so I love all of them. So no, I don't have a favorite Christmas present. Number 8, favorite holiday movie. Definitely Scrooge, and that's the 1970 edition of based on the Charles Dickens Christmas Carol, you guys, with Albert Finney. I am so in love with that movie, and just recently I discovered the soundtrack of the movie on Spotify. So yeah, I am so happy with that. So I play that all day. Then 9 is your favorite holiday song or Christmas carol, and I have 4. And let me elaborate on that, because I have like 2 Christmas songs that are just like the fun Christmas songs, and those are of course It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. I am totally loving that song, because every time I hear it, I just, well, it just itches for Christmas, and it doesn't matter what time of year I listen to it. Even if I listen to it in July, for instance, it just brings that Christmas feeling to me. Then it's of course, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and that one especially sung by Andy Williams, you guys. He is so good. His voice is so deep and warm. I absolutely love him. Then the other 2 Christmas songs that I like are more in the reason for the season, of course, are yeah, what is it? Mary, Did You Know? I absolutely adore that song, and especially I have to check this because I think yeah, this is so terrible of me, because I don't know how they are pronounced, but there is this band called, I think, Pentatonics. Pentatonic, I'm not sure, Pentatonic, but I will leave it up here or somewhere. So you guys, if you haven't heard Mary, Did You Know by these guys, check it out. I mean, they are so good. They do a cappella, and absolutely beautiful. Their entire Christmas album is beautiful. And the next, or the last Christmas song, my favorite Christmas song, the reason for the season, is Away in a Manger. So those are my 4 favorite Christmas songs. Then the next question is, I removed it, let me see, it was number 10, favorite holiday tradition or one you would like to start. There are so many, you guys. The ones that the one that I really have been enjoying the last few years is going to church for my niece's Christmas, what is it? They have like this Christmas recital, so they have so number 10, your favorite tradition or one that you would like to start. I love all the traditions that we've had throughout the years, growing up as a child and creating the new ones with my sister and her kids. And the one that I've been enjoying these past few years is the one that my niece, she always have this Christmas play about the birth of Jesus, and that's in the church. And yeah, we do that every Christmas Eve, and yeah, I've really been enjoying that. But yeah, there are so many Christmas traditions that I am loving, so yeah, I couldn't really be specific about that. Then number 11, how long do you keep your Christmas tree up? Well, I used to keep it up till I think maybe the first weekend in January, because of work. That's the only time that I had to take it down. And last year I took it down on December 31st. So when I woke up on January 1st, it was, you guys, it was so nice. everything was gone and everything was already in the winter mood, and that was so nice. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that this year because I'm having friends and family for Christmas this year, so and a friend of mine is staying till January 1st. So I won't be taking my tree down then, so it will be after January 1st. Then number 12, favorite things about winter. Yeah, I would like to say snow, but unfortunately I think really the last real actual snow that we had, like this pack of snow, was, I think it was somewhere the beginning of 2000, maybe late 90s. I'm not sure. I'm so terrible at remembering years, but anyway, I do like the snow a lot, but we don't get that anymore. So yeah, that's one of my favorite things of winter. But well, since we don't have the snow, what I have to go with is the cold. I really like it when it's cold. You have like your scarf on, your gloves and your hat, and the sun is shining. Yeah, I really love that about winter. Does it snow where you live? Well, like I said, hardly. We do tend to get a little bit of snow, like one day a year, and hopefully we will get some this year. We did get some last year, but it's not always around Christmas, and well, it doesn't stay long, maybe 1 or 2 days. Number 14, your favorite thing to do on a cold, blustery winter day. Just sit on my couch, snuggle up with my blanket, having some hot beverage, either some spiced wine, hot spiced wine, some hot cocoa, and just watching movies, you guys. That's my favorite thing to do, to be honest, all year round, really. Then the next question is number 15. Do you go out for New Year's Eve or do you stay in? Well, when I was younger, of course, I did go out. We went out to see the fireworks and stuff like that. Then as I got older, we had friends over, and well, basically now I don't do anything anymore on New Year's Day or New Year's Eve. I don't like going out. It's just for me a normal day, and well, actually I want it to be as normal as possible, because like I said, I want to take down my tree on December 31st or January the 1st. But so basically I don't do anything more on New Year's Eve. To me, it's just a normal day. Then question number 16, which is already the last question before we jump into the love it or hate it, and that is, do you make New Year's resolutions? No, I don't, because I don't believe in them. If you want to do something, you just go for it. You set your goal and you make sure that you reach it, and you go for that. So just saying you want to do this and you want to do that, you just end up doing nothing. So no resolutions for me. Then we're gonna do this love it or hate it, like really fast, because I don't want this video to be any longer than necessary. And okay, fruitcake, don't know it, so I couldn't say. Eggnog, love it. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, it sounds so romantic and so nice, but to be honest, no. I did boil some chestnuts once, and those are great, but I don't have an open fire, so no, I don't think so. So I couldn't say love it or hate it. Gingerbread, I don't love it, I don't hate it. No, it's just in between. Yeah. Spicy gumdrops, hate it. Candy canes, love it. So, well, you guys, that is it for this tag. I think it's been a very long tag, but I hope that you could have bared with me and that you have enjoyed this. If you did, leave me a comment down below. And if you want to do this tag, I totally would love to see yours. So if you do, send me a link or let me know about it. And yeah, I want to thank special thanks to Sean for issuing this tag. Thanks, Sean. I still have to watch yours, by the way. And of course, my friend Liz for like officially, not officially, tagging me on this tag. So for now, like I said, this will be my last video of this year. And yeah, I want to wish you all a very warm, loving, and wonderful Merry Christmas, you guys. A wonderful Happy New Year. And I will see you all in my next video really soon. Well, not so soon this time, but stay tuned. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.